words of our songs are usually they usually come by inspiration. You know, it's a spiritual thing. It's a guiding force that I think gives us the words maybe a bit strong. Most people like to say the power because people don't like to say God. They look at God as an image.
Kids got the spirits of the warriors of the past. In the village, would have been in a warrior class. Kicked them out of school because there's not enough stars. Subtract from maths class, started hustling hard, liming on the roadside, just crotching that yard, until they get harassed by the coppers and sarge. Behind bars, cause all they wanted was fast cars and nice watches to buck up on models and stars. Remember, we used to bill it with blue slims, fist fights till we're tired just to see who wins. Lucozade bottles, but not too many shootings. Kajaja walked beside us, I could see his footprints. Not down ginger, used to be a nuisance. Park every weekend just to find some new friends. Grew older and the motto became no loose links. As the father walked beside me, I could see his footprints. If we was home back in Africa, they would have learned to become hunter-gatherers, overcoming challenges, developing character. Here in Babylon, just a genocidal massacre. Knife crime epidemic, dealers could have been healers or a paramedic. High blood